Alright, so I have no idea where the heck we are, but we're going to make a photography POV video. So currently I'm shooting on the Sony a7 III with the Tamron 70-180. I was shooting on the 24-70, the Sigma DGDN lens, but currently I would rather shoot on the just a bit of extra reach. The issue with this lens is it doesn't have manual focus, which is something that I really value, but we're just going to do some photography today, no videography. So, I mean, obviously I got the GoPro, but we're just going to do some photos, and I hope you enjoy. Sit back, relax, and have a cup of coffee. And don't judge my ISO usage. So it's super windy at the moment, so I apologize for the audio. I have also got a really bad rigged harness at the moment. It's literally just a pole stuck into my shirt, so creepy that looks sick. I might do a landscape one just for look how sharp that is. That's so cool. Alright, so ignore the rubbish around here. This was obviously not us, we literally just got here. This is a place where people come down and have like food and all that, but we're gonna make the best of it. I did actually do some photography on the bridge, which is actually up there, so we'll go up there after. I just want to see if we can get some shots of these, you know, see how we go. Also, sorry for my awkward composition. I'm actually trying to not drop my GoPro. Yeah, see, it's difficult because I can't bend down or anything like that. So it's hard to get an angle. What I might do is I might go onto the bridge, see how we go. So many flies. Testing out the shot. Some of these shots are kind of bad, to be honest with you. I did actually shoot some of these with the 24-70. It was raining before, whereas this time I got the 70-180. I'll show a couple of my the photos I get with the 24-70 in the dead spots where there's nothing really happening. At the minute, I'm just kind of taking photos because I can. Just trying to figure out, you know, kind of what to shoot. I don't know. Some of these are right, some of these aren't. That's the joy of photography, especially when you're doing it by yourself and for yourself. You can kind of just shoot whatever and it works. This maybe. Some sort of silhouette maybe somewhere in there. We're actually at the max this camera could possibly do. I don't know if I like that angle. Let's do something over here. Interesting, interesting. We could do the basic plant one. Not bad, not bad. Doesn't look natural. What have we actually got here? It's really hard to see. It's very, very glary today. I genuinely can't even see what I'm shooting here at the moment. You'll be able to see better than me. I'll be able to edit it properly. But a bit of context of where we actually are at the moment. I have no idea. I actually genuinely have no idea what the place is called, but oh, look at that beautiful shot. Love that. Let's go for a landscape photo as well. But we're camping at the moment. And we're working towards, I'm working towards getting a bunch of images. And my friend Overthinker, he challenged me to doing a short film while I'm here. So if you see something coming out in the next couple of days after or before this video, then that's why. If you don't know who Overthinker is, go and check him out. He's an amazing photographer and videographer. He's probably doing more work than me at the moment, so he's growing faster. But at the moment I'm currently, I've just been filming. Not necessarily anything specifically, it's just a matter of just getting the camera out and shooting. Especially recently, I've been struggling with a couple of things. But at the end of the day, you've always got to try and make the most of it. Do what you can. And for me, creatively, photography is a way that I can actually export my creativity, you know? The reason I'm underexposing it a little bit is because I kind of want it to be dark. And I do understand that I can just edit it to be dark, but I don't really like changing the exposure too much. I don't see the point in that, you know? If you can do it in camera, it's really best way of doing it. Wow, I love that shot. That's gorgeous. One tip for new photographers, if you're watching this for the first time, or watching my channel for the first time, shoot through things. Shooting through things helps give your photos context. What does that mean? Well, when you're shooting a photo, giving a bit of foreground of where you are, where you're hiding behind, you know, what you're actually doing, it helps the viewer gain context of what's happening behind that frame. So what I'm trying to do now, so there's big dark storm clouds up there. There's also a dead tree here. So I'm trying to shoot a bit of a creepy vibe. Something like that. But I need a subject now. What's the subject? It's a good question. Sorry for the really, I don't know how this GoPro thing is going to look, but I've literally just got a stick and mounted the GoPro to that, and it is currently just stuck down my shirt, so hoping for the best. I just still haven't had time to invest in a Oh, that's gorgeous. There we go. So I like to do the exposure. I like to do the exposure just before it hits zebras. So you can see the zebra there on the top left corner. But I don't like it too bright because I do like to bring it back down. Something like that. So I'm gonna put a color grade on that. It's gonna look beautiful. Do something like that as well. See, there's how much heaps of zebras. I usually go down to the one just before that. Wow, look at these textures. This is gorgeous. But yeah, as I was saying before, there is a photography video or videography video coming out soon, which will be, depending on how I edit it, it could be anything to do with a vlog or a cinematography video. So just keep an eye on that if you do enjoy those things. But as I don't have a lot of space and it's starting to rain, I'm going to end the video here. Alright, I'm being one of those photographers. But hope you guys are having a great time, and I'll talk to you later.